Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome to today's video. So in today's video is another cook with me video, and as you can see I've got my scarf on. That's because it's time to either go to the market, cook, if you know what I mean. So that's meant to come out with a swag. Well, never mind. Is that, yeah, it's meant to come out with the swag. My God. Anyway, so it's cook with me. Come and cook with me, lot. And I've got my potatoes. I'm making mashed potato and onion roasted chicken. So I've got my potatoes from Co-ops and they're here. So I'm going to peel them and boil. And I've also got my chicken. I've got I went for the chicken thighs. Chicken thighs are the bomb when cooking any chicken meal because they're so delicious. So I love chicken thighs. And I've got my heavy cream, my double cream by is it Emily. So I've got my double cream and I've got my black pepper. Black pepper for my mashed potato and my double cream for my mashed potato. And then I've got my honey, and that'll be for the roasted chicken. So I will also be adding garlic as well to the roasted chicken. And also let's not waste too much of time. Let's just dive into cooking. So the first thing I'm going to do is peel the potatoes. Let's peel. Alright guys, so the chicken is in the oven. So what I've done, I've actually added some soy sauce along with some oyster sauce. So it's in the oven now, almost there. It's not yet there. And the potato is also cooking, almost there. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to chop some garlic, um, add it into a hot pan, and then add the honey along with a bit of maybe a bit more of the soy sauce and oyster sauce. Then pour it on top of the chicken once it's grilled, and my meal is almost ready. Anyway, so I'll see you guys later. All right, guys. So I've got my vegetables ready to be steamed. I'm going to place them in the pot in a minute, and I've got my garlic. It's already peeled, waiting to be chopped. I'm going to chop it to use it to create like a sauce, and so let's go ahead and place the vegetables in the pot.